Last time I did one of these, I opened with like a fake text. So here's the real deal, yo. Look how cute this is. They made like an invitation with like pictures. I'm excited. Woo! Oh my god. I'm dead. We're dead. We're totally dead. I can't do. Should I back out? Could I get COVID? I don't know. I don't want to. I can't do this. I'm gonna die. Ah! Yeah, I was like, this is a very private.
Yes.
Private arrangement. We have the pillow wall of separation.
You guys have your seatbelts on, right?
It's gonna yell at me. Well, there's a spot. Gonna be setting up a tent in the dark. Eric's what?
Eric's
hey,
vlogging.
hey. Oh, look, you have string lights.
I have string lights.
A little mini tent. Taking a break. Alright, we gotta lock all of our stuff away so bears can't get in. Into the cooler, please. Cold peaches, baby. And then I have some pistachios. Keep it safe from the bears. Can't tell, there's a hammock. It might be easier to see in the morning. There's the hammock. I guess the only day we're here. As you can see, it is now sunny, which means I'm dying of heat. I'm sweating already. It's supposed to be 100 degrees, so here comes a packing montage. I brought a long sleeve shirt for sun protection, and a towel, a hat, a little microfiber towel courtesy of my company, a neck gaiter I got from Ultimate Frisbee, a water bottle, obviously, and sunglasses. And sunblock. Damn it, like a coach. Is that too much lettuce? Sorry. Stay. Oh,
Get the sun.
beautiful.
With that cut down the center, gourmet.
Zappos.com. Sponsor us. Hello. The waterfall took a casualty. Nope, let's not look at that guy. Oh, there's so many naked buddies. Wow, that guy's tan. Good for you, bro. Home sweet home again. Sun's going real low.
Structure.
This is a large tent.
Like you put up like bars in
It
the back and it actually
expands.
comes out of
It's like a cupboard almost.
yeah, and
And that was it. We only stayed about a day and a half because it was too hot to do any of the longer hikes, but it was a fun, chill weekend with some great company, and that's really all you can ask for. Oh hey, didn't see you there. What am I doing? Thanks so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. And leave a comment if you have any ideas on what you think I should do next. These are so awkward because I don't know what I'm supposed to say. Anyway, I hope you had a lot of fun. And see you in the next video. Bye!